Hey guys, just wanted to show you we're turning this old wooden house into a duplex. And one of the things you got to do is you got to split the meters and you got to split the water heaters. So right now we're splitting the meter. We ran all of our new wires to half of the house. And I was telling my friend Tommy, it's always easier when you can put the wires in before you attach the box to the wall. And I'm sure you guys can see why. You can simply just start kind of scooting everything up and get everything in there at once. So if you're able to do this beforehand, even putting these metal brackets in is 10 times easier when you can do it right at eye level instead of up here on the wall. So we already cut out our hole. Here's all of our wires. All right, we got our box in. Now all we gotta do is attach it from the other side.